Severe heat we are experiencing across the nation can be brutal on those folks who have to work outside in the elements. This home doorbell video shows a Phoenix man rushing to help a USPS driver who was showing signs of distress. The homeowner says the woman looked like she was about to faint. She told him she was in her first trimester of pregnancy. The video has been shared thousands of times. Phoenix, of course, has seen 25 consecutive days with a high temperature hitting at least 110 degrees.